Hi there, Summer Owens, author, speaker, so what success coach, coming to you with another lesson from Life After Birth, a memoir of survival and success as a teenage mother. For the 10th anniversary of me publishing this book, my very first book that changed my life and so many others, I'm sharing the lessons learned at the end of each chapter. And here's your lesson, still in the chapter, A Giving Spirit. Make a good impression. Although I was doing simple office work, I made sure I did it well. I was on time for work and always put my best foot forward. Although awards and recognition were nice, they weren't my goal. A good reputation and referrals were the best pay I could have ever received. Make a good impression. So I was volunteering at my mother's job at the mental hospital, but I always made sure I showed up on time. I got a lunch break and I returned from my lunch break on time. When I was doing assignments, even the simplest assignments, like shredding papers, filing papers, sorting papers, I did it well. I did it to the best of my ability. I did it with a positive attitude. I asked questions when I had questions, and I asked for more work when I was done. I asked for ways that I could do it better. I asked for ways that I could help even more. Make a good impression. And I said, although awards and recognition were nice, because I got awards and I got recognition because I was doing a good job. I got awards and I got recognition and I got that appreciation because I was doing a good job. But they weren't my goal. My goal was just to do a good job. But what I got that was more valuable than awards and recognition were a great reputation and great referrals. This was when I was a teenager. That reputation has stayed with me as a woman. Those referrals and people saying nice things about me and my character and the opportunities that has gotten me and the doors that it opened for me all came from me making a good impression, showing up on time, being respectful, doing what I was supposed to do and doing even more. Are you making sure that even in the mundane, the most mundane tasks, or the simplest tasks, or even things that you don't want to do, that you need to do or you have to do, that you're doing what it takes to make a good reputation, to make a good impression, so that you have a good reputation? Next lesson coming up.